sleeping yet, or are thou walking I would wit? For love has bound me hand and foot, and I would fain be in joy, and let me in the Cynic, for pity's sake, the Cynic. Oh, rise and let me enjoy. Oh, hear'st thou not the wind and wheat, nae star blinks through the driving sleet? Take pity on my weary feet, and cheer me frae the rain joy, and let me in the Cynic, the Cynic. For pity's sake, the Cynic. Oh, rise and let me enjoy, and the bitter blast that round me blows, unheeded howls, unheeded falls, and the coldness of thy heart's a cause, oh, all my grief and pain joy. Tell no me of wind and rain, upbraid no me wi' coldest day, and ye back the gate ye come again, I wanna let ye enjoy. For the bird that charmed his summer day, and now the cruel fowler's prey, let that ye worthless woman say, the grateful heart o' man Joe. And I tell you now, the Cynic, the Cynic, for ensign o' the Cynic, I will